everybody, it's your girl Benny of Free Benny's Kitchen. Welcome back to my kitchen. So today I'm going to be showing you how I prepare this delicious beef sauce. On the table I have the ingredients to make this. I have my thoroughly washed and seasoned meat here. You can see how I cut it into strands. You see the way I cut it, just like this. But you can cut it into any shape you want. I have my veg here. This is my carrot. See the way I cut it is not in cubes. They are like this. My red pepper, like this. Green pepper, yellow pepper, chopped onions, ginger, garlic paste, curry powder, bouillon cube, sesame oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, spring onions, and I'm using olive oil. Then I have my cornstarch for thickening. I have my pepper. You know, I like my food a bit hot, so I'm using one yellow Scotch bonnet and red Scotch bonnet. Then I have my salt to taste. Then I have water to dilute my cornstarch. So join me as we do this together. So the heat is on now. I'm going to add my olive oil. I'm using olive oil. Allow it to be hot a bit. I'm adding my onions. Fry a bit. I'll add the ginger and garlic paste so they can fry together. Allow it to fry for like 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, I'm going to add the beef. I season the beef with ginger powder, garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, and salt. That's what I used to marinate the beef. So allow it to cook. When it starts changing color and it starts bringing out its own juice, you know it's getting okay. So just keep stirring. You just keep stirring. You can see that the meat is bringing out its own juice. You allow it to cook so it will be tender. This will take like 5 minutes to cook. You can see the water. See, the meat has its own water, you see. So it will use the water to cook. So I'll just leave it to cook for 5 minutes. So after 5 minutes, I came back. The meat wasn't tender enough, so I added some more water. So I came to check it again. This is what I'm seeing here. So I'll still check if the meat is well cooked. Then I'll now continue. I'll add my curry powder now. Then my bouillon cube. I'm using one because the oyster sauce has some salt in there. So this is what we have now. So I just go and pour in our veg. You know, I like my food a bit hot, so I'm just going to put this Scotch bonnet. I'm putting two, one yellow and one red Scotch bonnet, because I like the aroma of the yellow Scotch bonnet pepper. I'm adding the carrot first because it takes some time to cook, because it's a bit hard. At this time, you just lower your heat. Or add some more water to allow it cook. I will now add my green pepper, red pepper, and the yellow pepper. I see our sauce is coming on. I'll just allow it to cook for more, maybe like 5 minutes. As it's cooking now, I'll add some oyster sauce and sesame oil and soy sauce into my what's it called, my cornstarch for the thickener. So I'm just putting the sesame oil inside my cornstarch, my soy sauce, oyster sauce. Why is not coming out? It's so thick. Then I'll add some water. So I'm done with the thickener, the sesame oil, the oyster sauce and soy sauce. So this is our thickener in the cornstarch. So I'll just pour it into the pan now. So this is our mixture. The aroma in my kitchen is something else, as if I'm in an Asian restaurant. So you can see it's getting thickened now. Our sauce is ready. Then I'll add in some spring onions. Our sauce is ready, and this is going down with hot rice. You can also take it with pasta. So I'll add our salt now. Then I'll turn off the heat. You have to be gentle with salt because of the other salty spices. Let me test for salt. Okay, the salt is okay. Wow! Our sauce is ready. I'm taking mine with this beautiful rice. See how colorful the sauce is. Please share, like and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.